I just recorded that too. Be like, yeah, there we go. Gotta get camera ready, you know what I'm saying? What's up, everybody? I'm back with another vlog here. Got some goodies for the Skyline, and I can't wait to put these on. I got this here steering wheel. Better than the one that's in the car, obviously. But this is actual personal steering wheel made by Nardi. Black Alcantara suede with red stitching. Sexy. I don't know if this is gonna focus or not. Focus on my face. Hang on. There we go. Personal. Picked this up the other day. Just got it shipped in. I'm gonna go ahead and install it. Also picked up, because I'm not cool like you stick shift guys. I don't have a stick shift, so I got to make do where do is, you know, where I can. Alcantara suede e-brake boot, since I don't have a stick shift boot. And Alcantara suede e-brake handle cover. So those are going to be going on the car right now, and get rid of this factory steering wheel, which actually isn't that bad. I mean, it's really small, it's, you know, comfortable and everything. It's kind of racy. It's got some small marks on it. Not nearly as bad as I've actually seen from a lot of cars that come from Japan, because a lot of those cars, I don't know what they wear in Japan, if they wear rings or, you know, some kind of spikes on their fingers or some shit, but every steering wheel that I've seen come from Japan looks like crap. Scarred up, torn up, you know, you name it. I don't even know what they do with these steering wheels. But anyway, it's getting a new one on it. I'm gonna save the original, obviously. That's not gonna go anywhere. I'm not gonna sell it or anything like that. I like to keep mementos, you know, whatever. But anyway, let's get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and install this thing, and I cannot wait to see what this looks like. So, hold tight. All right, first things first. Got to take the horn button out, which has got a weird clip on it when you do it. But it's not too bad. Just take it like some a little pick or whatever, and you can get the horn button out. Just be very careful around the rim of this if you want to preserve it. And I've already actually broke the main bolt loose. I'm just going to pull this off, which is, in case anybody cares, it's a 19mm. I would use power tools to do this on a you know, newer car, but as old as this is, I want to kind of preserve and make sure I don't break anything. Once I get the wheel off, I'll be able to kind of look in here, and I heard that's a bit of a pain in the ass to get the steering wheel off. There we go. Just work it loose. Oh shit, don't turn, don't turn. Okay. And alright, so immediately I'm running into an issue, which is the horn. There we go. Just gonna unplug that for now. Make sure you don't move this too much. This is the HICUS sensor. So if you move that, you can definitely F something up. You don't want to do that. This car does have HICUS still, which is the all-wheel steering. I have not deleted that yet, so I am being very careful not to jack this up the best I can. So, trying to see here. It's got a ground. And then the power, okay. So I'm going to remove the wiring from this. I'm probably going to have to cut it and then resolder, because the wiring is actually, you can't pull it through the plug, through the socket here, because right in here, it's almost like they made this and then put it together while it's in the steering wheel. Alright, this is the new wheel. I don't know if you can see it very well. Like I said earlier, it's a personal steering wheel. The guy I got it from already has the hub for it. Hopefully it is the correct hub for the Hikes, which I think it is, which is great. So it should just literally go on like so, and boom. Look, oh, that's so fucking nice looking, bro. Ah, that's beautiful right there. It does not get any fucking sexier than that. Sorry my language, but so yeah, this hub. I don't even know what brand this hub is. I don't know if it's a Bell Works or what. All I know is thank you to the guy that actually got it, because this is the hardest. The steering wheel is easy. Getting the steering wheel, or picking out a steering wheel, you can buy it in America all day long. Getting the correct hub for that Hikes, if you're keeping the Hikes, is the pain in the ass part. So this fits right in. Perfect. Oh, it's beautiful. I love it a lot. So just take that bolt. You can bolt it right in. Later on, I'm gonna hook. I don't have a horn right now, so later on, I'm gonna actually take and rewire and cut that and splice that that wire for the horn button. I'm gonna get an extension so I don't rub this up. So, like I was saying, the steering wheel, I got to alter a little bit for the actual horn, because what I need to do is I need to splice and cut the wire in the harness to get it out of the old steering wheel, and then put it in the new one. So I gotta figure out a way to ground it, and then I can do what I gotta do. This is probably like the easiest install. Everybody was like saying how hard this shit is. Yeah, y'all got oh, yes. Hopefully I got this on straight enough. Okay. Yep, she ain't going nowhere. Oh, that's beautiful. Dude, I'm digging that right there. All right. Enough fanboying over the steering wheel. And put the horn button in. Make sure that is perfect. Be centered. Tell you how amazing this feels. I like the old steering wheel, the original steering wheel, a lot, but there's something about this that is like, it feels so much more racy with the suede. And when I get back, I'm gonna put that window up. When I get back, I'm going to actually put on the e-brake boot. So I'm going to have to take the center console halfway out. I got the main attraction done, which is awesome. No horn though, not yet, but I'm going to fix that. I'm just going to take the harness out of the old steering wheel and do some wiring. I just got to figure out where to ground it. If I gotta pull that other steering wheel apart, I will. I'll figure it out. I've seen quite a few videos on the internet with the quick releases and all that other stuff. Well, my Skyline I'm not doing a quick release on. So those of you that are actually interested in doing this without having to worry about a quick release, check this out. Very simple fix, guys. I don't know what the big deal is, but so essentially what I did, pulled the steering wheel back off, and I took the harness, the factory harness, out of the old steering wheel. It's got a power and a ground. This was the ground that was actually bolted to the steering wheel itself, and then the power goes through this into the Hicus sensor for the power, for the horn button. On this button, this acts as a ground. This little thing right here, that's your ground. So essentially you need to just tie this off, take the old factory harness, run it through here, put it into the new steering wheel, plug it in like you normally would. You have to bend this out just a little bit. This little brass tab here for the power, you bend it outwards just a touch, and you can plug your factory socket right into it. You leave the ground alone. You tape the ground off. That way if you ever want to reuse this, you can unwrap that, rewire your factory stuff back in, no big deal. And like I said, that acts as a ground. So as soon as now that I got this actually plugged in, tie it off so it doesn't touch anything, you reinstall your horn button. All right, so this is what it looks like installed in daylight. Now I got a little bit more light. It's still kind of actually hard to see because it's so dark in my garage, but you get the gist of it. There we go. Look at that light. Beautiful suede. I mean, this thing is like beautiful, man. I love the quality of the steering wheel, and it is a great addition to my R32 Skyline, and also my suede e-brake handle and boot there. Put that in. Big plans are still coming for the Skyline at some point. I will say that shifter is not going to be there much longer. Hopefully, it's going to get a swap of some sort. But anyway, that time will be coming at some point. And yeah, so God, those headlights are sick. I love those. Anyway. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this vlog. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. Appreciate you guys watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Later.